Siyambonga uNkulunkulu kakhulu, sibonga nje singakhawuli. Ngihlale ngisho ukuthi ngesekudla nangasencele. So into yangasekudla, ikakhulu njengoba sesifundisile ukuthi while iBhayibheli lithi Jesu uhleti ngasekunene saNkulunkulu, phindze bese kuthiwa noma ngumfundisi kuthiwa nangu right hand man wakhe. Akusho lokho ukuthi uba ngu-right hand man wakhe zokuthi amele always ahambe ngasekudla noma ngabe uya ngasencele. So right hand usho authority. So Jesu nje uyi-authority yaNkulunkulu, akathi nje yeke uzila 2 days, that's the right hand. Imnazi le topic leyo bazalwane. So siyambonga nje uNkulunkulu kakhulu. So nathi-ke ngesencele sibonge nje bonke labahambisa umlayeto, ilinki siyeva nje ukuthi awunabani ngithunyelwe ngubani, hey mfundisi kade ngagcina futhi ngiyamangala lento bengiyidzinga le, uthi Phawula sengithembe yona leyo nto. Nathi siyabonga kakhulu bazalwane, lokumgcoka ukuthi kuhambiswe livangeli. Bese ngesekudla-ke sibonga kakhulu labo labathi nabeva bese bayaphila, ngoba eBhayibhelini awumangali lokuthi kugcwele lokho ukuthi kukhona nje lapha sesaba nekhempu saveta lamanye amavesi lapha lengicela ngasho ukuthi atholakala kuba angifuni ukuniketa nje clue, ngiyathi lokhu udaba excited wathole leli iBhayibheli. Ubusisiwe loyo lovako bese uyenda phindze kukhona lapha khona lo myemake nje nakahamba Jesu waphahluka wathi hey mayabusisiwe lamabele lwamunya kuwo nalesisu lwavundla kiso, apangala nje into Jesu latenzako. Wasike Jesu King James ithi yes or ye, uthi yebo make but rather, naligama esi rather, babusiwe kakhulu laba labathi bangeva bese bayenda. Wow. Besidlala nje ngemavesi, ngicela kusebenzisa igama lokudlala not excuse me, not per se ukuthi siyadlala but nje sasihlanganisa nje ukuthi exploring the Bible, lokuthi yeka bunanzi beLibhayibheli ukuthi athi vele lokuva nje bese uyenda, ngoba kuze kuthiwa ngeSiswati hey nomfana angakeva man, hey akeva nomfana konje unathi uthi indlebe, noma-ke nokukhuluma nabantu niyeva yini, awusho labantu ukuthi bedithi indlebe but nalokuva nakuya. So siyabonga kulabo labasinabavile bazwane bende, ngoba kunento nje ngicela kuyishoshela ukuthi niyathi sibazane sisakhula, nami nje kwafika ngisangakasenziswa ukuthi kuthiwa haleluya, nakule ngifuna kukusho ngumswakama nje, i-teaspoon from the sea. Uyabona ungaya uye elwandle ungakaphathi nje nespoon nasekuphakela esitambu nemabhontshisi noma liphalishi, ispoon lesi nje, hhayi nalesi lesidla ngaso, i-teaspoon lesincane, ufike ukhe ngeke lelwandle uthi hawu linciphile. So think of that. Nami nje ngicela ukukuniketa lokuthide le ningithandazela ngakho bazalwane, nami ngithandazela ngakho, and sidabe sibaniketa abantwana. Kukhona la sitawukhuluma khona futhi hle siphuma nje, siphume egedeni emishini sithi cakalala noma sibe kuphi, bantwana sikhulume kuthula umoya. So ngicela nibe naloko-ke ukuthi niyathi bazalwane, asengithi nje ngikhuluma nebantwana, ama-students ningeke nikhona ekhempini njengoba bayeda nje, siyakholwa ngokukholwa sebafikile abantwana futhi baphephile. Kuthi niyathi bazalwane ukuthi naku lesakhula kushiwo ukuthi kutawuqhamuka abantu bathi uyamthanza Jesu, ngoba kutawuhlushwa amakholwa. Uyasho uDanyela uthi kwabonakala liphondvo lilwa nalabangcwele lalwa futhi labancoba. Naku lesikubonako sitawukusho nako lokuthi hhayi nje ekholweni mfundisi iBhayibheli alifundisekile, akuthandazeki nje bazwe nokuthi abame ama-honor prayer bakhona. Yibona umfundisi imoto mina nginayo nako konke but nje ngiyi-honor prayer, ngathi mina ngithi yibikelela endlini. Caphelani bazalwane, please bazalwane, caphelani Nkosi yami. uNkulunkulu kude amandla atakuthatha kundize setulu, uzile uvala umlomo ufunze liBhayibheli, kuyafuzulwa nangabe uthi akuve le nto akusho. So uyamthanza Jesu bajuba indlebe. Ngiyabonga ukuthi indaba engekho futhi nami ngiyathandaza ukuthi nawe ube ungekho, sihlwithiwe ngoba yini lo nto yakwenta uNkulunkulu ukuthi ibonise ukuthi yasho asihlwithe. It's because uthi Jesu kuLuka 21 ukuthi aba nekuhlupheka lokukhulu lokungazange sekube khona. Niyathi sibantu base babulawa ngenxa yelivangeli, but bebabulawa nje mhlawumbe babebu-200 bobani, awu ngeke bese kuba khona sibo-5,000 10,000 ngetulu. Hawu kahleni bekunene, ngaphandle kwetimbi nje kusuka khona. Siyakhumbula emaJuda kwangalabulawa labo 6 million, but akusiko sikwavele kwathiwa hlifi. Lapha futhi kunconela ukudutshulwa ngesibhamu uthi nje awubuva buhlungu njengalona nje lokusho ukuthi hawu le Melika kwashiwo ukuthi hawu abacabangi ubuvile buhlungu. So buhlungu lokuthi bancola indlebe, yamthanza Jesu bakhuphula uteliso. la khona kuthiwa abantu bayosinziswa ngengadi yabo. Ngila khona-ke immediately kukhala licilongo, why uNkulunkulu asidedisi? It's because kunemasotsha lasatrainiwe MP Chris ngoba kuthiwa ngeke Nkosi yami ambulwe sisesekhona. Manje-ke bese phindze futhi Pawula uthi kumele sikhahleleke esichingeni lesithe. Uthi-ke nase kuhanjiwe umkhumbi sokwenteka lokho uthi kwathiwa lapha kwathi kuhlamba abawelele ngesheya bebona ukuthi nje manje siwelele ngesheya. Then kuthiwa-ke labanye bawela ngetintfo temkhumbi. Sasifike kuleso sikhathi leso bazalwane, lapha kwathi kuhlamba bahlambe, labanye bathatha intintfo temkhumbi as long nje liplango lakho. Ngiko nje sathi kukhona itimu lesayisukumile sathi bazalwane, I think some 4 years back, sathi bazalwane ngiloyo everyday nakulo sithi uyangipha namhla lo sinkwa sami semihla ngemihla. Sathi ngiloyo nje bazalwane everyday 7 days nje. Angathi ivithi tawufika nini kuwe ngicela ngasho. Kuthi nje 7 days. Ngicela singiloyo aladi liplango lakhe. Ethi mfundisi nali liplango lami lengiwela ngalo. Sasifike leso sikhathi leso lokumgcoka ukuthi sifike ngesheya. Ngakho nje sihlale sisho ukuthi bazalwane uyabona nje kuboleke amagama lesiwendako la endlini. Kusinyala abazana ukuthi sikamane, sigcobisane, sigezane, sigudlutane, sigcokisane, sisekelane, siphakelane, simasajane. Anything nje longayenda, be your brother's keeper, not your brother's killer. Phindze futhi share 99 ufune nayinye. Naku batshali laba kwendako ukuthi nje lokunhloko lodwa kangaka buya manje sithandaze ungathangani. Noma utangele cele enkosini. Nkosi yami. Yeah, so sidabe sikhuluma nje. Sibuka simo bazalwane, looking to the church. Why bazalwane bathangale kangaka? Uthi uyababuka bazalwane. Nathi wacela kuthandaze abanye bahlala phansi badziniwe. Yena bakithi. Uthi Jesu yini ningasiconsi lesikhathi. Beka ngasho abantu bethe mawashi. Bo Matthew 16 nje uthi nakubo Luka 12 uthi nanibona simo selitulo ba ngidlale ngisho nje laba isimo selitulo manje yabona bavamile lokushaya khona uthi isimo sitabisi nje andivele ubabona so uyabona ukuthi kutsala so sike Jesu nabe nakhona kubona ukuthi umoya utabu uchamuka ngala nehlulwa yini ukuze ningaconsi lesikhathi siphi lesikhathi lesekuthi kuphola lithando but lami iBhayibheli lithi kufuzula. Kukhona nje la sikhuluma khona amake mtshali ukuthi uJesu loyo loncubako ndamhlalisa nami kuningi nje nongakubuka ku Revelation chapter number 2 la chapter number 3 aphinda lamagama loyo loncubako. Jesu wathi ukuthi there will be some battles kutaba netimpi. Why nje kuthiwa loyo loncubako uncoba ini bese ke phindze futhi kuthiwa ke bambisisa lokho lonako ukuze ngabikho lokumchelo wakho. Shotho umuntu kumele abe nento asenkubute wena yini lo ibambisisile ngoba khona nakubamba bese kuba nekubambisisa. Yabona bambisisa lento yekufuzula fundza iBhayibheli uthandaze ngabazalwane hlale sisho ukuthi umthandazo intimacy ngila khona sikubona khona manje nathi asibazana bathandaza over ethembele nje labazalwane yabalida uthandaze bathandaze emva kwakho ku microphone uthandaze now uthi pray ubona bese bahlethe etulweni ngiyo ke lento leyo lesithi anyways senginiphile itest ngiko ke bazalwane uyasukumisa uNkulunkulu nga 2015 siyacela kubantwana sesibantwana etikolweni yathi siyabuka mani Daniela wayisho lento ukuthi knowledge shall increase in the last days lwathi litawanza siyakubuka lokho then ke sesithi ungesabi ngevasi labanye solobale kuloko lesikushoko siyathinza nje ama topics ungesabi lokho bantwana nawo udaba nabo nalo sikhembe abantwana sibe sithi wonke umvumo ukelekile bazalwane sekuthi nje kuba ukuthi sibukana ngama students but nje njoba nje stand summarizele nami ngiyanisummarizela ukuthi yini lesikufundzile so far phindze bantwana lokho beta yini lokunye la sitawu recap khona si recap wena nje stay tuned in this video ungayinzawo. So Daniela ke uyasho ukuthi knowledge increase ke nasibuka abantwana yathi esikolweni akwendeki ube nama keyboard la kufundziswa bothisha labangena emoyeni baxoxa nje come on class. Sacela ke nathi nga 2015 sathi libandla lisemuva manje sicela ukuthi bazalwane bantwana ama students sicela ukuthi i-keyboard ikhona la khaya kuhlabele la khona la khaya but sicela ukubeka abantwana sitosebenzisa sonke bambaka sonke lesikhathi kutofunda namambala abantwana basibambisa kwaba buhlungana bavele okay bokusethe lokujayiva boThomoya ujayiva but from there sibonile kwenyuka lizinga lokuthi bantwana si proud of them labaningi bayabamba yebo ke vele bakhona labaphuma eceleni tite tojola tinjani njani letihleke labanye kuhlele ema bathroom kunyongwana hlesikhutha umsindo bani sonyongo lomnyela abanye bafuna kushayana bantwana kuze nje ngeke ngisho bantwana but-ke ngeke bese sesithi hawu sibonga nje ukuthi i-majority bayafunza abantwana ngiko nale topic-ke le ngicela sibazweni bangayikhohlwa uNkulunkulu usipha nje topic lathi ngeke sisuke kiyo onke emakhempu lesiwacelako abantwana noma ngilaka-Lozitha noma siye kuphi ngoba siyana setindzaweni sisonzele kibo sicele ama-students to camp ezivela umhlaba siwubhekisa phasi ngokuthunywa ngumoya engcwele kuthi wasinikela nje uNkulunkulu topic lethi Foundation for the Future Camp uyayiva lento le phindze nangeSiswati ithi sisekelo selikusasa ngihlale ngisho-ke ukuthi i-foundation nawubona indlu lenhle lapha i-foundation angeke uyibone ile underground so nalapha-ke labantwana sibaniketa into lenye yakhona ngidawuthini ebebengaboleka ligama ngithi abayiva but bayabona hawu nami nje kunetindlu libe khona ayibonini ngoba kunjalo evangelini ngihlale ngibekisa nje ngithi sithombe lo washuta ka-form 4 sonke nje siyathi nawe usibuka khathi nisutha niya ku-family function noma-ke ka-form 5 thine nje lethu kuneminyaka ubese uyabuka ube like wow lesithombe lesi awubani sisekhona hey ngiyakhumbula lapha nami nje ngihle ngitiveta ithombe labanye make mtshalo uyabona la ngacabanga nje ukuthi sekuphele bo 30 years kube khona ukuthi uyabona-ke la leti thombe sethi ya-excite so nalapha-ke kukhona ukuthi le bantwana bekhona uyanelwa naye namhla sengilutho yathi kuya ka-Lozitha kwangisitha awubona ngakhathi kusendeka futhi I can give you 5 years sekuthi nje indlela esifundise ngayo abantwana siyabacela sibabe serious but siyita inkinga ngoba sesiya-activate bakhona nje labanye lokuba khona kufana nokushayeka nje khona labanye labathi mfundisi ngiyakhumbula nami bo-2015 bo-2016 17 18 19 kanjalo ngitile ka-Lozitha nyalo kunemntwana nyalo nje ngadlala ngalamathuba ngakhathi ulapha ka-form 4 ubhema ngikhumbula nje umfundisi wathi le ngibuye ngunakhe ukuthi ngabona umgcibelo nawubona iyouth nje itsakwa lamgwaqweni iphethe amabhodlela labantwana bathi ukuthi they are drinking their future yabona i-future yindlo lele futhi you talk of bo 5 10 kakhulu nje bo 20 years that's where your future is nami nje lokuthi ku-2025 I'm not drinking my future kunento lengingayenda kufana nokugula nje abantu beve ukuthi kunesifo lesithe wasuka nje umbonga nathi manje wangacaphela ukudla kanje awuboni lokugula uhamba nawo mhlambe lo mnyanga yena ukutesta noma akatheste izinto nasivela so ngiyacela eMaswati akwade nangithi Maswati nibokhumbula nani lensemaveni ukuthi bazalwane bhodi ngesekudla nangesencele nawu jola udla kabi utayibona lento kubo 20 years kuthi hawu yabonini bathi tinso tami sethi nje kanjalo nangesekudla nawenda kahle ubalekela abafana ujole amantombazana ini wakasisekelo so-ke uyayibona ukuthi isekelo selikusasa camp phindze futhi Foundation for the Future Camp sathi bantu bami le nto lena lesinifunza la kwanyalo ngeke niyibone but sicela ukuthi nibe serious ngayo sikuphi-ke namhla we are very proud bazwane siyabonga siyalungisela nathi study ballot incwadi sibatshali ukuthi Maswati siyabonga you've made us proud sichazela okuningi ukuthi ungaba ngesencele nebantu babe nge-5,000 esontweni ashumayela umfundisi bese kuba nolomunye abe na 50 not even tisho umuntu angala 500 abe na 50 uthatha lamasemono amabili bonke abashumayela uthi uyayifaka lena uthi laba bekukhuleta indlu lethu enkulu bangi-50 bese kulaba labakhangathi baningi uthi uyamanga uthini lo mfundisi ngiyabekisa ngase ngiyacela-ke Maswatini ukuthi bazana kuba powerful kwesemono ungakujaji lo sibantu bangakanani nalo bashatunkela kangakanani mina nginale believe futhi ngiyakwathi nami ngikubonile ukuthi nawe uhlabele le stage bantu nawehla bathi enko bajayiva ubo wathi siboba entertainer you didn't minister to them because kukhona i-entertainment bese kuba ne-ministering these are two different things then-ke nawehla stage ukhanza kalo sekuthula sithi ubone nje abantu bakhokha ithishu uve yathi sula kancane ubo wathi ukuthi you've ministered utsinze naye into nayo iJesu hlaba uyayilanze nalokuthiwa bana kasekho kodwa nangu nombucwele lapha eboxini abakathola ingoti uphelele yini lesengekho ngilento-ke ukuthi kunamine nami mina ngimdzala kunami nawe ehle stage uma ukhulume namine kude umuntu ongafika athi enko ngiko nje ngachaza ama-gospel artists futhi-ke labanye bantwana bakhulisiwe ubathi uyakhuluma ubathi ubabona ukuthi hayi abeva man awubeva ukuthi lokuthi kunjani la kuwe noma ungathi uyashumayela lapha ipulpiti uyashumayela mina ngihlale ngikhuluma ukuthi okay uyashumayela but kunjani lo munye-ke asuka ingani kodwa lo munye afika mfundisi man kona bantu I'm pulling the crowd but ngiyava babe ukuthi kunento man yangilahlekela beyikhona emagwaveni nawo macela ukuthi beda la futhi-ke wangahlabeleli babhoreka kanti lapho uthi asikhanza 3 hours wonke umntu uthulile udla live bazalwane ngicela kusho njengoba ngishito kuma-video langihle I'm really proud of this futhi libhayibheli liyangisekela itselelekile lento le but ngila kunekuphila khona kwa-entertain abantu the choice is yours so siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngani ma-students angiphethe ngokuthi-ke sesithethe ama-topics lamaningi panjena nangalamathathu lesitabe si-recap abantwana awusokucabanga nje ukuthi yini naku lotakuva la ukhona-ke make mtshali lo vama kuba ne-lion share basho njalo ngesingisi lesi sikhathi kuyenteka vele ukhansa ngikho throughout nami ngithi ngiyalalela ngithi hey nabakithi lokunye nasidadisha namake mtshali kuba khona lokuthi akangitsheli yebo-ke sasho sathi nawufika epulpiti kunanako lokuthiwa ngumkhanza khona etinye tinto ube like wow bengibhalele kudala but-ke wow nami lokunye uNkulunkulu ukhulume nami ngilapha epulpiti so lokunye kuba khona nje ukuthi siyade ukuthi ngene epulpiti tinto loti bhalile ku-altar ngoba siyahlala naNkulunkulu utata ufika lapha afike uNkulunkulu ambule tinto nami-ke kuba khona ukuthi nase ngilalela ama-recordings noma-ke make mtshali uyeta sibayela uyasamarayza ukuthi hey mfundisi yathi bantwana sifike sikhuluma nabo uNkulunkulu ufike uyasimangalisa sicela kunipha-ke bazala njengoba ikhempu lena sicabanga ukuthi ikhempu yokugcina bavele bese kuba busy ngama-exams bantwana batawuthi nya bese-ke siyacela nakuvalwa itikola lo lesihlanu nje ukuvalwa kwetikola bese nalo isonto lokucala I think so ngambuka nje December baya emasontweni bantwana bese-ke ngabo 2 3 bafika late sikhile eminyango ngoba abantwana sasho sibona lesi bashoko bakhona nje abantwana labanye awumangali nokuthi bahambe bawuhlobonga literally ahambe ekhaya bathi nekhemikalo zitha njengalabo mgcibelo nje umfana kukhona nje abantwana sadiscipline khona abantwana bafika ngabo 7 8 lo mnye ubekwa imoto ngubani bantwana nje niyabathi manje-ke laba bakalozitha sinalokuthi siyacela mani Nkosi yami ukuthi bantu bami noma beniyakwenta mani ingcwele lenzawo le uNkulunkulu dingikhulu lethu lokukhulunywa kungamane uhlale phasi kwasho ingoma yathi ungadlali ngevangeli ingcono uluthatha ulibeke phasi hayi kudlala ngalo akudlalwa ngelivangeli but-ke sabana ukuthi sidaba mbeketela abantwana sithi-ke shuthi kwenteka nanyalo ukukhansi kunemgulukudu phakathi kwethu simana lokuthi let them take it so babahamba-ke abantwana bekhona ukuthi sagcina sesinebatali sicela ukuthi niboshe abantwana sebasuka nathi nje siyasho abantwana nje sebaphumile ba-expecteni but lo mntala utawubuka athi umfana kalozitha la by this time ufikile because sibambe amathuba nalapha nje khona labanye abantwana bebakhona ukuthi bahambile ngakhuluma ne-administration buka abantwana lapha ngathi bagonene bacabisane labanye bekhona baphume ngetindlela bathi ubaze sekunjani bangenela amagwaveni i-youth niyadi-ke nanemabandleni nami nje ngikhumbula bo-2001 silena kubomhlosheni nakuphi kube like hawu kunebantwana kwalanjwa insilane kuthiwa sebayalalana lapha emahlathini kodwa basibethe ekhempini i-youth please sekuthi ngeke ngisho sinidlalane but nje noma ngabe uphethe ngano don't you dare udlale esontweni sesicale kiso leso angisathi lesinjani so bebenda-ke bantwana kube khona ukuthi bafika late sabe sisakusukumisa ukuthi nabe nje ikhempu ithi siyacala nga-2 njengasesikoleni bantwana bethu abagijima siyacela nakhona-ke kube khona sibekacala emanga umfana athi ekhempini ngalothi abathi ingena nga-10 ahambe ekuseni ngabo-8 uya kanhliziyo ngisi but-ke bakhona namhlala bakhona labathi bantu labasha buka mnandi swane ini ngoba libhayibheli lithi God cannot be mocked uNkulunkulu ngeke amphukude ungamphukuda nje bekhona ngibashayile mana bakabona ngicala emanga sono sakho sitakufumana lesi ibhayibheli kude lokufihlakele lokungeke kuvele yebo kude lokufihlakele lokungeke kuvele but-ke siyabonga kulabaningi iphindze futhi sibuyele kubongeni basibambisile ukuthi bayakhona umfana asoyethe ekhempini ingakho-ke bese kuba khona nalokuthi-ke besides bekusidisturba njengalapha nje bantwana besibeka lo 3 kube nemavidiyo lesi sikhathi kuba khona babekathi khoma basangabhalisi siguce phasi sende isekhe around the temple siphakamise tandla sibonge nje Nkosi siyakubonga ukuthi asikagiciki emgwaqweni asikatholi ingoti asikalunyati inyoka asikashayanga umbane sibonge so leyo prayer futhi siyende kanye kanye manje kube khona-ke ukuthi kwentekile ikhempu kunipha nje kafishane ukuthi emva kwaloko nasesicedzile-ke kuthandaza sibese-ke bantwana sekuba khona sibabhalisa babhalisa kanjalo ukuthi bachamuka kuphi esikolweni bese-ke sokuba nesikhathi-ke siyabaniketa mhlawumbe leyo 10-15 minutes ukuthi asebavuselane nje nalabanye ngathi bayashaya ekhempini bayafika kube khona-ke ukuthi yini noma-ke bani bokhona ekhempini babone abantwana bamnanzi nabahagana lapha kanjalo bese-ke emva kwaloko nangabe kumbe siyabona kumbe kukhona ama-snacks, ama-fruits noma yini i-popcorn depending i-weather, kube khona ukuthi mhlambe bathi bantwana ukuthi ibusu kancane. From there-ke bese kuba khona-ke sesiyacala-ke, hey bantwana ekhempini labacalako, ema-bathroom kugezwa kanje kanje. Bese-ke emva kwaloko sekuba khona sesifunza-ke ama-covenants alakhaya quietly, umahubo 121, bo-91, bo-Colossians, konke lawo ma-covenants, thatha bo-15, 20 minutes, bantwana ukhansi bayafunza around ethembelini. Uyayibona le program sengibalethile about 4. So kumcoka kwalesikhathi ukuthi nabe sibeke 2 wonke umntwana ufikile, nabe sibeke 3. From there-ke sekunema-video khansi walungisile-ke thatha sibukele nawo ama-video. Manje-ke ukhansi labanye abantwana bafika 4:30. So kufuneka sicalele emuva. Ngiko bekwenteka ukuthi le camp-ke Nkosi yami bangiva bothishela. So ayikhanza kishishimba ngoba lona mana akangeni akathi toilet ithakwe ama-supplements. So ngiko nje isikoleni sothi ngeke isikole singela ngo-8 umfana afike ngabo-9, 10 utamti step athishela. So siyabonga nje kubatali ukuthi nakuva lokho futhi nababona abantwana ukuthi nakusibambisa ukuthi labanye abantwana babaletha ngetimoto bababeke asigcineni isikhathi. Sengibekisela-ke ukuthi camp yokugcina lena bantwana bayade sibe nesikhathi nje ukuthi sibanikele imali sibawudle esikolweni. Umfana nase kusikhathi se-exam akafuneka sihambe long distance, but-ke siyabonga ukuthi sokusabamba le ntfulo nje, akusiko ukuthi bantwana baswele, ngeke sathi bathole amagama. Leyo mali leyo lokhansi i-balance brought-down isele kubo last day sikhuluma amagama ukuthi lapha abantwana laba abanathi utshwala bajule. Sidabapha abazalwane into yokubona ukuthi bazalwane impilo is all about amagama. Life is a series of words. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngaloko. So i-next camp-ke unless-ke uNkulunkulu balabanye kuba khona ukuthi bayakhona ukuthi bethe kalosi batodadisha. Akavami lama-camp esaphela ngcono, no, bakhona nje lapho phansi bayakhona ukuthi akumgcibelo kudiwe-ke kudadishwe. Njengoba sasho sathi naso kwi-exam more than 70% kuba sikhathi sekudadisha. Njenganyalo nje campini into abakhona abantwana nabafika awungena kuma-academics kwanza lathi siyacala kungena ey'nkonzweni entsambama nangelisonto. Ngaphinde futhi ekuseni nabavuka kube ne-prayer bese emva kwaloko kuyadadishwa ukhansi sesicala-ke kufundisa le kubo-1, 2 hours, bo-3 sebayakhululeka-ke. Vele kuba sikhathi setha incwadi bakhona nabothishela. So kanjalo-ke nale kubo-October kubo-November kuba khona phindze labanye abantwana kodani kalozida bede vele batodadisha kanjalo kanjalo. Sekuthi nje officially sibuye sithi sibamakugcina la noma-ke ku-second week ya-October. Then-ke bese-ke lo December sebaphindze babakhona-ke bantwana. So bathi mark your calendar. So naliya lisonto lokucala decorative value. Nga-3 sebakhona-ke siyahamba-ke lapho liviki lonke bazoba ujika kubo Msombuluko kuLwesibili depending ukuthi sinesikhathi singakanani kude ni-program phindze kanjalo kanjalo. So siyacela-ke sibalungiselele abazalwane ikakhulu batali nani ma-students. So cabanga nje lokho ukuthi i-Foundation for the Future Camp ukuthi lapha le mfundo mhlawumbe ngide ngayibona nyalo but ngayibona mani ukuthi bengingadlali ngemathuba ami kakalozitha. So ngicela silalele-ke sesive nje ukuthi make mtshalo usipha lokuthini on this. Kuniketa sithombe nje kunecamp nje lekhuluma ukuthi ekuseni camp. So ungacabanga leli gama lithi ekuseni utawuliva nje lisho naku naku. And then phindze futhi ikhempu lebe khona lenye bekuthi konke kwami kwakho kusho Jesu. So lapho sithi bantwana nje ungakhona licingo lakho ukuthi nje uthi konke kwami ngoba licingo amniketa Jesu ngoba nakangalivula mhlamba ngamangala lakhathi. So bafundisa abantwana ukuthi akungabi netithixo taSathane. Nkosi yami. So bazalwane siyabonga nje kakhulu. Ngiyacela ukuthi sibe ne-picture nathi lesikhashane bese sibalela ukuthi sabona more than 12,000 abantwana. Yini lokhu ababida? Akusiko kungasencele lokhu lesikubonako bakhona lokungathi balwa neministry ngidawusho kanjalo ngicela kusebenzisa igama lelo. Phindze le moya wekudzangala, umoya wokuphula uthando. Kuthi noma bese ukhulumile kuba khona ukuthi but lokumnanzi kuba kuthi uthi Jesu uhlakanipha kumbuliwe kulabantwana bakho wena lophikako. Buka abantwana labeTakalozitha bese uyababuka ukuthi bakanjani. So vele-ke nawe utawuhlala phasi ubuke lokhu nako bazwane kufinyetiwe kucompressiwe. So nangaba ukuva ungabi lokhu sawukuva uba nokuthi mhlambe bakukhethule kakhulu but nje watch this. God bless you. Amen.
Kunekhempu lemnanzi nalemangalisako lesike saba nayo lebitwa ngokuthi ekuseni camp. Wow, uNkulunkulu wasendela lokuhle lokumangalisako. Kuningi-ke lokwambuleka nalesakufunza ngoba nawubuka nje leli gama lelithi ekuseni kuqhamuka kaningi. Yebo, kuyaqhamuka the morning kokuthi kuphuma kwelilanga, kuhlukanisa bumnyama noma-ke busuku kanye nekusa kwelilanga. Then bese sekuba khona kokuthi futhi nawuthi ekuseni lokuthi athi kwasa mani phakathi kwami, oh wow, kwasa phakathi kwami. Okay, so siyabona lokuthi which means there was a moment of darkness, a night moment, and also a dull moment. But nyalo sekusile lokho ukuthi kufanele ngindene noma-ke ngukuphi lapho bekubambeke khona. So generally nje siyathi sonke kokuthi kumukela Jesu, kumukela insinziso, uthi kuJohn 8, mina ngikukhanya kwelive. So as much as besi-7 siphila ngakho konke kwa-7, but kwembula kwakhe etimpilweni tethu kwasenza sabona lokuthi maye besingilesive lesiphila ebumnyameni, bekunobusuku lobukhulu lebebuthungethe impilo yethu. Kuningi lokwendeka ebusuku bantu bebakwazana, ebusuku bantu bakhona kuphuma bayokwenza imikhiba, nalaba abalekako, nalabafuna kweba, nalabafuna kuyothakatha. So ukhanzakala kokuthi nakunalobu busuku la mpilweni kunato tonke letinto leti kokuthi yathi impilo yami mani ifikelwe busuku because ngiyabona mani bathakathi bayatidlalela, tshwala buyatidlalela, mantombazana bugwadla yini kuyatidlalela, kweba kuyatidlalela. It's either uyeba kwawena noma-ke kuba nakhona ukuthi uyetshelwa because kunebusuku la empilweni. Kufana naboZilwane nje ukuthi as much as kusebusuku, but if nangabe la khaya kakho utawufaka ema-lights kukhanye ukuthi tsa, kungazuthi kusemini, kube bhede la kuba khona nelitfundi kokuthi umntfwa angabhaca khona. Kuba lukhuni for them kokuthi bangakhona kungena bende anything because noma kusebusuku, but through the lights it's like you have just led your home to a morning session ukuthi lapha kuyakhanya, ngeke nje sowucale usonzele because yonke into le ibumnyama kuyabe sabakhanya. That's why lithi laNkulunkulu kuJohn 1, he came to this world and he became and he is the light. Then kuthiwa-ke but darkness could not comprehend the light that he is. So kwakhanya konke lobumnyama kuyabaleka. So nesinziso-ke yenda njalo etimpilweni tethu ukuthi isiniketa kukhanya upon our life and then our lives. And then also we have got this la sikhuluma khona ngokuthi nje kufana nokuthi nawutele ekhaya education, uhamba uye esikolweni khansi maybe the background noma-ke isimo lo utelwe kiso akusiso lesikahle, but uma utimisela u-acquire-risha the information, the knowledge, kuthi nasekufika lapha so-graduate-a, yes, what ukuthi I did well even in my intern session, nyalo-ke internship yami, nyalo sengiyahamba ngiyo-apply-a. So lento uyabona ukuthi la mpilweni yalo muntu lo sekathenga imoto, sekakha indlu, sekunekukhanya. But where did this light come from? As much as i-background bengasiyi kahle, it is because the knowledge la acquire-rishile seyimnikete i-know-how in life and yamniketa something lesibane la khona kukhanyisa impilo yakhe ngayo. We cannot bring it all on the table, but kunanayiphathi naye yokuthi generally when we say let there be light, like even understanding Genesis 1:3, lokuthi uNkulunkulu even before creating anything that was created, the first day he made light. We don't know where this light was held yini that brought that light, because the moon and the stars and the sun is created days after, but Nkulunkulu, on the first day there was light. This light, what is it? What is it all about? Because it's not the sun, it's not the moon, and it is not the star, but we hear that day one, God made light. So let there be light, and it was so. So nakhona those are things that were treated kuleyo camp lesincede sa-indulge kito kangako, but nje here is a lead ukuthi when you speak about ukuthi sekunekukhanya empilweni, what is light? I've got the light in me, sekusile, sekuyakhanya empilweni yami. It is to light is anything that will answer the dull or the dark moments of these questions losuke unawo empilweni. Like there are 7 of them, the main 7 questions. Okay, ngesingisi kuthiwa ama-relative pronoun, but nje the main 7. So there is light when you know what, you know where, you know when, you know who, you know why, you know how, you know which. So when God said, let there be light, that light that he spoke about, it was the knowledge of what to do next, where to put the sun, the moon, and the stars, when to create this, on what date, and who to create, and who even also to place in the garden to tender the earth, and why, and how to do all these things, and which. So that was the light that came to shine on the first day when he said, let there be light. There's a lot more on that. And also, then that takes us to understandings. Why then the white color, city, it is has got to do with kukhanya, has got to do with blessings. I cannot say luck. Fine, the secular says it's luck. Okay, fine, but for us, it has got to do what it has got to do with holiness. So holiness holiness which is defined as light, or righteousness that is being defined as white. And akuthiwa nje bawufaka tingubo letimhlophe, yini ingubo letimhlophe? Titendo talabangcwele letilungile. So-ke white, why is white compromised or made of 7 colors? Yena ngekwakhe ukuthi oh kumhlophe, I'm sorry for that. So kumhlophe empilweni yami. It is because you have made a balance of these 7 colors, that then bring about the white. Bese kumhlophe empilweni yami. So we just shared a lot kule camp lena ekuseni camp, much to do with that. Ukuthi now the dawn brings light to your life. Bazalwane, sincede sakucetha kutse kakhulu Nkosi yami. Nkulunkulu wemusa, siyakholelwa ukuthi utakwenzisa akwembule akuhlathie kangcono kini. Kunanaleli vesi lelihle limnanzi lapha kuJohn 17 verse 10 lokuthi ngalelinye ilanga ezisichubeka with ama-camps eba-students foundation for future camp, sathathela khona i-theme yethu ye-camp lebe ithi konke okwami kwakho camp. Uthi-ke lo John 17:10, konke okwami kungokwakho, nokwakho kungokwami, ngikhazimulisiwe kubona. Imnanzi impilo la kufika khona ukuthi uyathi nembeza akangilahli. Uma uNkulunkulu angafika empilweni yami acale nje abuke emoyeni wami, la sesithi khona umoya, it's a word tank, because la magama le ngiwakhuluma kini angimoya aliciniso. Which means words are spirit, or words is a spirit, or spirit is just words. So lo kuthi uNkulunkulu nakafika nje nakangabuka ethangeni lemagama le, whatever word that is wandling in my spirit, akhanze ukuthi konke lokhu khona lapho nguloku kwakhe. Akunanhlebo, akunazondo, akunakucansuka, akunakuganga, but konke lokhu khona lapho kwakhe. Andlulele abuke in my soul. What is a soul? The way I think, the way I feel, the way I decide. So whatever that I'm thinking, if he can just open up that file, akhanze ukuthi konke lokhu lapho emcabangweni wami kwakhe. Abuke-ke, yebo, in my feelings, what is really am I feeling? Because feeling tired, feeling lazy, akusiko kwaNkulunkulu. So abuke ama-feelings ami kokuthi what is really that I am feeling. So akhanze kokuthi kuma-feelings ami konke lokhu lapho kwakhe. Endlulele tonke tincumo lenitendako, athi nakatibuka athi konke lokhu lapho kwami. Bese sesibuya to the heart. What is the heart? It is what I think, I feel, and I decide. Further, I action it. I put it to actuation. So athi nakabuka whatever action that I put in place, akhanze kokuthi konke lokusetendweni dami kwakhe. Endlulele-ke aphuma enhlitiyweni angene-ke emtimbeni wami. That is my physical body, whatever is in my hair, whatever is in my body, whatever from head to toe. Akukhanze lokuthi yethi yonke lento lelana nakathi lo mbhalo ngichazimulisiwe kubona. Yonke lento ayikhanze kokuthi ikhazimulisa yena, ibonakalisa bunjalo baNkulunkulu ekuphileni kwami. Yibone kokuthi-ke labanye bambona. So kwaba ikhempu lenhle nje lemnanzi kokuthi kuphila kwethu, igeji yethu ikilo leli vesi leli nalesahluko lesi nalesihloko lesi lesabanaso kule khempu lena. Ngaba ngumfana esikolwa, ubuke lo ukuthi yati noma ngathiwa badali bami bathatha licingo lami, bothishela baphenya noma ngabe yini, bakukhanze lokho ukuthi konke lokhu lapho, konke lokuse in my bookshelf, in my wardrobe, konke noma ngabe you go to my shoe rack, kude sikathulele ngaseba kulomunye, kude le ngakuthatha kwalomunye, timpahla ecingweni, kude madatha lengiwebile ecingweni, noma ungapheje ama-files, ama-researches ami, WhatsApp chat, Messenger, konke lokhu lapho kukhazimulisa uNkulunkulu. Konke lokhu lapho kwakhe uNkulunkulu. Satsingitsa-ke kakhulu-ke kule khempu lena, sibuka lokho nje kokuthi into le yenta bonke abantu balungelane naKristu naNkulunkulu. Ngaba kufa kwemuntu noma-ke kubuya kwaJesu, nekukuthi nje impilo ibe mnanzi, konke kuhambe kahle. Because bese sothi lo John 14 verse, the last verse, soyakhuluma lo ukuthi-ke now, in fact verse 30, not the last verse, verse 30, athi-ke nangu umbuso wezwe asetha, uthi-ke Jesu sukumane sihambe because kude kwakhe lokhu la kimi. Because at times besiye isikhala kube ngazuthi Sathane uyasihlupha, uyasihlukumeza. Akakhoni ukungena empilweni yemuntu nangabe kude kwakhe Sathane lokhu kuloyo muntu. Uma nangabe Sathane uyakuhlupha, akakuhluphi, kunekwakhe lokhu la kuwe usuke afuna kona, or else usuke asebenzisa kona to his advantage. In fact, it's just a raw material that he used to do whatsoever he wants to do. But if nangabe la empilweni kude kwakhe Sathane lokhu la kuwe, that life is free. That's why nakala ahamba lapha alandzela Jacob, asabalekile aphumile Jacob, kuthiwa wathi-ke the reason I am follow and pursuing you is because tiy'tico tami ngitikhanze tingekho. Ngubani-ke lo thethe titico tami? Then he went about searching. We know what Rachel did at that moment. So but wanele kukhanza kokuthi le nto yakhe la ifunako ayikho kuJacob. He didn't harm Jacob. he left him wakhona kubuyela emuva. And that one lowa ganga ke yena wayibamba lento kwaba khona lokungasiko kwakhe kwaba kuye. We know what happened to Rachel. Kubhlungu ukubeleka kona ngekwakhe, let alone nangabe ke sotawukufa ubeleka. You imagine the agony that Rachel had to go through ataze ethe umfana athi ngibhenoni buhlungu Benjamin amnikete lelo gama lelo. Akusiko ukuthi akhethiwe Rachel athi ukuthi unendvodza yakhe lebusisiwe lekunguJakobe ukuthi bekangahlelwa yiminjunju lengaka, bekuhanjelwa lokhu kuye lokwatiwako lokho ukuthi bekungakafanele ukuthi kube kuye. So the life is, let's make sure ukuthi whatever is in us and with us, it is something that God himself clearly say, all that is with her and all that is in her and all that is about her kwakhe uNkulunkulu. Kuningi-ke kwasala lokunye lesingakushithanga kaningi la sikhuluma khona-ke ngebungcwele nakuthiwa uNkulunkulu uyahlala endaweni lengcwele wasalakhiwa libhokisi lesivumelwane lipheyinthwe ngako konke ubukhatikhati beligolide. In fact uthi the pure gold, that's where God stays, whereby everything that is in this place is purified, is sanctified, has gone through fire and has been proven that konke lokhu lana kwakhe uNkulunkulu. Nkosi yomusa iyasibusisa, solo iyasibusisa ngalesi sihloko. Siyakholwa ukuthi nanani itaqhubeka inibusisa. Kuthi nganye ilanga siyeba nekhempu ye-foundation for future camp. Nayifika ikhempu nayo siyayiniketa i-theme lethiwa ngingumdali camp. Oh, what a camp it was. What a camp it was. Kanye nebantwana sifunza. It was a nice topic, especially being given to the kids, but given such a theme, lokuthi ngingumdali camp. We know that Badali has got to do with Lolo Mzala Lomdele, but this is what we were treating kule camp lena when we gave the topic to the students. Ukuthi ngingumdali camp, especially in nurturing the spiritual body or the spiritual well-being of ngingumphana. Siyathi ukuthi uthi Jesu John 3 uthi kude umuntu longangena embusweni waNkulunkulu ngaphandle kokuba atake kabusha. That's where let's discover khona ukuthi bambambamba insinziso ikudalwa kabusha kwento leyake yaphila yase iyafa. So nangisinziswa per se, that's why we say insinziso yawo wonke umuntu lokhona lophilako emhlabeni. It is not, insinziso has got nothing to do with the Jews. It got nothing to do with Israel, whatever promise that was given to Israel, but insinziso has got to do with all human beings that are on earth. Because remember, we were living. In fact, uNkulunkulu sonke sasikhona emhlabeni even before Adam was. We were all there, but it's just that the first man that God made to exist on earth, it was Adam and Eve. But by the time he created Adam and Eve, we were already there. It's just that it was not yet time, because batali befu bebangakatalwa kokuthi besingabe sesifumana umtimba wekuba ngiko lokule besingiko enkathimulweni. So we were all there. Sibonakala straight asinalokuthi our time is coming. We are going to be there on earth. Wow, what a moment. Kufumana sibe senyameni sikhona kumfumisa uNkulunkulu sende insani yakho senyameni, because right now we are here seated with Christ, but sitelo mtimba weku express the worship that we were already doing at that time. So the first man, just two people, they first came, and then upon their coming, wow, kwasekuyonakala ke sekufa ke nyalo this well-being, this lomtimba lofumane lelidzaka by the time uNkulunkulu aba-create. That's why uNkulunkulu nakafika khanza lomtimba afile. Though these people, they were present in the Garden of Eden. So ufika uthi Adam ukuphina, not ngoba bekangamboni ukuthi ubhace ngesihlahla. It's just that lento la connecta akhulume nayo lele philako lala yakhe la indlu emtimbeni wa Adam ukuthi ibe khona on earth. It was no longer there. So he didn't have a point of contact contact now for men. He didn't have that point of contact between yena na-Adam asenyameni, bese lahlekile, kwaba the fall and kufa kweluntu lonke emhlabeni. Lapho it is before kube nema-Arab, is before kube nema-Jews, is before kube that tonke tive lestatiko, ama-Philistine, all these races that form maybe, excuse me, it was just all before that. So-ke then yafa lendvo lesithi-ke uNkulunkulu nasesithi, so nanyalo-ke uNkulunkulu achubeke amalanga nase sibelekwa-ke batali bethu, sibelekwa sita kokuthi uNkulunkulu through our parents nabahlangana wakha lendlu yalendvo lena labonakala ukuthi ufuna into emhlabeni itamvumisa, only to find then ukuthi nyalo-ke sesifika in another time wonke umuntu nasekatalwa sotalwa esoneni. Yini kutalwa esoneni? Sesitala sifumene umtimba lendvo lebekufanele ukuthi iphile la kulo mtimba seyafa. Kusho ukuthi ngaleyo ndlela sesitalelwa esoneni. Ngulapho-ke nasengiphila-ke khansi useyangena umuntu wema-drugs, yanatha tshwala, uyathuka, ushaya abantu, uyeba. It is because lendvo lengebi lenganatha ama-drugs, lengaphingi, lengahloboki seyafa. So nasekafika-ke evalivani lamukela Jesu, wow, so uyatitfola lokuthi mina ngiyayino nganjena vele ngisenaNkulunkulu, athi umuntu ngiyayemukela-ke le mpilo naye lengayiphila emaphakatheni. Therefore lo mtimba-ke losavuka nangisenziswa ngulo mtimba lona-ke lesi sithi ngilolo talwa kabusha ngoba wawukhona vele, so talwa kabusha. Then now here comes what we all must understand ukuthi-ke nyalo-ke mine ngoba lo mntwana sowutelwe ngaphakathi kwami. Siyakhumbula kahle ukuthi uthi-ke uNkulunkulu ukhuluma naJosefa uthi vuka ubaleke Josefa, vuka uthathe umntwana nihambe niye eGibhithe because Herod is going to come in search for this child. So because wena Josefa ungumtali, nyalo seyi-mandate yakho yekunaka nekugadza nangu umntwana lo mJesu losatelwe. That's the very same thing with us nyalo lokho ukuthi it's very much important ukuthi-ke sengisenzisiwe sengitelwe lendvo lengaphakathi kwami angiyigadze. There are close to 15 ways that have been portrayed and we have been given in the Bible. The order, because lithi Herod will come in order. Uyahleleka Herod nakafuna lo mbana, kune order, kunehlelo lasebenzisako, and he used that in the past in the Old Testament and also in the New Testament. There's no time to prove that now because it can take our order. It's just a summary what we're bringing here of what we treat in the Foundation for the Future Camp. So there are these ways that have been used to the order to kubulala lo mntwana. So as a parent to this inner being that is born, kumcoka-ke ukuthi ngingumntali, I must take care of this child that is born. Ngaphakathi ngente njani ngiwondle. First thing, make nje angaba pregnant cala kufutheke amabele because sekune-responsibility yekufida nayi info nayi lesebonakala. The very same thing with us. Uma sowusinzisiwe, make sure amabele Nkosi yami ayahlonhlotha every day. Uve ukuthi namhlanje ngineluhubo lekufida lo mntwana lengikhathi, ngive lokuthi yathi namuhla nginayo esahluko sekufida lo mntwana lengikhathi. Ngelinye ilanga ufike ukuthi ya namhlanje ngeke ngidle ngisho ukudla ngangena fasting. Why? Because I want to concentrate and give self ukuthi ngikhulise lo mntwana lotelwe lengekhathi. So as a mother libele alinhlonhlothe. If nangabe usenzisiwe so ungasanhlonhlothelwa libele lokho ukuthi asengihambe nyalo ngiye enkonzweni, ngiyeva ukuthi lo mfana kufanele ngimikise ayodla, ngimikise enkonzweni ayogoma, ngimikise enkonzweni bayomhlola because bafundisi nabo basita wena njengemdala. Bafundisi bafana nabo nesi, abasiye umdala. Siye sive abantu but this is my spiritual father and everything. Bambambamba bafundisi bethu babonesi, bababelekisi, yebo, laba buka ukuthi lo mfana lo satelwe phakathi kwakho ukhula kahle yini, isikali sakhe sithini. Nyalo nyalo kufanele ambone ukuthi okay, Nyalo sona-5 years, sowucedzile kugoma, Nyalo sekunje sekunje. Babonesi, bafundisi abasibo badala, umdali walo mfana lo sukatele nawusenzisa nguwe. So kufanele umondle loyo mfana, asasimbatheni Kristu, umbhathise ngelifu laNkulunkulu, mthandazo, umbhathise, umbiyele lo mfana. Lo mfana lona-ke uyambatha, uyadzika ngokuthi abe ne-shelter lo mfana lona. Lo mfana lona-ke unendlala yakhe, unetinkanuko takhe. So kufanele umekishe sure ukuthi wena as a parent you save leti nkanuko. Umfana nje nakakhalansi kunalenye ividiyo nje lengike ngayibukela lechaza ukuthi umfana nakathi athi usuke akhala ngani lo mfana lo. So lo mfana lona uyanakekelwa. So ngingumdali. Well, we treated a lot saze sangena-ke sachaza leli gama lithi P.A. lokuthi kusho ukuthini leli gama lithi parent kwalona lisho ukuthini. Salikhanza-ke ukuthi kunabo ama-P.A. ama-P.As ngaba baningi and the renting on its side, so that can be a long topic on its own. Kukuthi nje sifaka ihloko nje bazalwane kokuthi foundation for the future camp, a lot is taking place and the future is being not made but is being discovered kokuthi naku lo wakuphila emaphakathini.